me, not on healing's way sincere.
No other can cast me from my grieving.
Lady, what is your will's decree? Shall so good a friend die for you then? Forever shall I reproach you be? If I am taken in this end I can. If thus you slay me and love not me, if better counsel you take not, you sin, I shall die, for you have taken me. Amen. Nevermore shall I be comforted through another. This is my thought. If in this great need I am left for dead, so that I am loved, nor joyed in aught. And if mercy you have not in you bred, for God never tell me of it instead. Better I learn thus to live with naught. Yes, such a companion you have here, as Blondel has well encountered, I fear. As a false creature has promised him cheer.